Structure of human ovum or ootid. An ovum is spherical or oval and non-motile structure. It is rounded and non-cleodic, that is without shell, and alecythal without yolk. Human ovum is about 100 micrometer in diameter. The ovum is covered by its own membrane called plasma lemma or oolemma. The cytoplasm of the ovum is called ooplasm. In the outer region of the ooplasm, it contains a number of mucopolysaccharide cortical granules. The cytoplasm contains microtubule, mitochondria, ribosomes, RNA, protein, glycogen particles, and lipid globules. The nucleus in the ovum is large. It is also known as germinal vesicle. The nucleus is generally in metaphase 2 stage prior to fertilization. The typical nucleus or pronucleus appears after the entry of the sperm. The ovum has a polarity. There is an animal pole and a vegetal pole. One of the two small polar bodies occur outside the plasma membrane near the area of the animal pole. The space where these polar bodies occurred is known as perivitelline space. The ovum has two coverings, a non-cellular covering that is known as the zona pellucida and a multicellular corona radiator covering. The zona pellucida is a thick glycoprotein rich covering which is secreted by the joint activity of the oocyte and the inner follicular cell. It carries receptor proteins ZP1, ZP2 and ZP3 for determining the attachment or non-attachment of sperm. Zona pellucida also bears ingrowth of follicular cells for transfer of nutrients and biochemicals to the egg. The corona radiata is a part of granulosa cells which remain around the ovum at the time of ovulation. Its cells are radially elongated. They are held together by mucopolysaccharides called hyaluronic acid. The zona pellucida persists up to the formation of blastocyst. When it disintegrates, the blastocyst enlarges in size. Ovum has a protein on its outer surface known as fertilizin. Fertilizin is released from the cortical region of the ovum and it helps in binding of the sperm to the ovum. My dear students, it was all about the structure of the human ovum. I hope you got some idea about how does the ovum look like and what are the various layers that surround the ovum.